The Amazon honeymoon period. We've all heard of it, but what is it exactly? Is it real? Is it a myth? Let's jump into it. Hey guys, this is Norm Farrar from Private Label Legion. Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to our channel below and check out privatelabellegion.com for free information and resources. And don't forget to join our Facebook group. Now let's get into this video. The honeymoon period. What is it? This is a special time for you and your newly launched product. No, you don't get to take a vacation at some fancy 5-star resort sitting on the beach with your newly launched rubber spatula. This is a period right after the product launch on Amazon. During this period, the new product listing can more easily rank higher than normal for keywords on Amazon search results. Sellers who capitalize on the honeymoon period can get more visibility in front of the shoppers during their product launch, boost sales, and get reviews for their new product listing, and eventually position their product for long-term success. Woo-hoo! So how long does the honeymoon period last? Well, that's a bit of a problem. Amazon keeps this search algorithm as a secret, so sellers can't manipulate it. But good news, although we don't see the specifics, we have measured the results of many product launches and shared information of thousands and thousands of sellers in different communities. Now we know for sure that the honeymoon period is real and that sellers can certainly benefit from it when they're launching new products. It takes the algorithm roughly 3 to 4 weeks to collect enough sales history data on a new listing. After that, the grace period is over and the benefits are gone. So take full advantage while you can. How do you take advantage of a honeymoon period? Well, here's how. Have a detailed plan of your product launch and set a sufficient budget for every product that you launch. And really focus on nailing down your primary image. Use tools like PickFu to split test the image for your product. And do your homework and find the most relevant keywords for your product and make sure that these keywords that you've selected have a fighting chance. If not, Amazon won't put much stock into ranking your listing at all. And keep this in mind, don't run out of inventory. Let me say that again. Don't run out of inventory. Make sure your first shipment is large enough so that you can fulfill your orders. Include medium and low search volume keywords in your title, description, bullet points, and your back-end search terms, not just high search volume keywords. Depending on your budget, start running auto PPC ads. And what I do is I bid significantly higher so that I get the data that I need to understand what search terms are being used to find my product. And another important thing, don't forget to request reviews. It's not against TOS to ask for a review. Get them. Try to get at least 10 to 25 of these reviews during the honeymoon period. What has been your experience with Amazon's honeymoon period? Let us know in the comments section. To get more great information, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our free Facebook community at thelegion.group. Thanks for watching.